So what else did you learn through making this YouTube channel? Did you learn things about content creation, about being a YouTuber, about like smart contract programming? Like what did it help you?
What did I learn? Well, I learned some of the topics that the viewers want me to cover. So I guess you get a feel for the trend in the market. And I also learned that maybe I'm guessing that the number of subscribers per month is correlated to the price of Bitcoin. So that's what I'm
Definitely.
guessing. Oh yeah. Okay.
Definitely. In a bull market, obviously, you will have more views, more subscribers because there is more interest in blockchain in general. We also saw these metrics in many other places. Both interest in DeFi and crypto and also in blockchain development decreases in bear market. A lot of developers leave. They go back to traditional IT jobs like DevOps, like web app programming and stuff. And there is a chart, I think, of developers, and we saw a decrease in Ethereum developers in the last few months. But it is what it is, you know.
Yeah.
It's obviously it makes sense.